If you want to add new inbound internal links, it's as simple as clicking on the add from the reports page, and that'll take you over to the inbound link suggestions. And again, it works just like adding other links. You can see the post for adding the links on the left, and then the sentence where that's coming from. And again, all of these links are going to be going to this article up top. So in this example, help, I hate my job, how to quit your job ASAP. You can go through and make any selections that you would like. And again, I might be trying to rank for how to quit your job. And so any of these look like relevant links. You can come in and change the anchor text as you see fit and scroll through all the inbound link suggestions. In this example, there's 28 items or 28 suggestions here. And once you have made all the selections that you would like, you can just click the add links. And then those links will have been added. You've added new link juice to your existing content,